Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video of this Peugeot 308. This particular car is a GT line with the 1.5 130 brake horsepower blue HDI diesel engine. This is coupled to the 6-speed manual gearbox. Now the car has done just over 8,000 miles and is in pearl red, ultimate red as they call it. This car is the latest generation one, so it has the panoramic roof and also the 3D connected navigation system as well. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop along and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. I hope you enjoyed the video.